Hello and welcome to Odie's Kitchen Diary. In here I share short videos on how I cook simple and healthy homemade meals. I also share some DIYs. Okay, let's get started. I have here my pot and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of butter, some brown sugar, maple syrup, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. I'll mix everything up on low heat so everything can melt and combine nicely. Once all the ingredients have melted, I'm going to turn off the stove and pour everything into my dry ingredients. And for the dry ingredients, I have 5 cups of old-fashioned oats, a teaspoon and a half of salt, and a teaspoon of corn flour. I also have a cup of assorted nuts. You can use whatever nuts you choose, but I have some almonds, I have some raisins, some shredded coconut. I'm now adding my liquid into the dry ingredients and mix well. Make sure the liquid coats all the dry ingredients. Pour everything into a baking tray. Just spread it evenly and put in the oven to bake. Make sure you keep checking maybe every 5 minutes because it can easily burn. Bake until it is golden brown. If you notice, I did not add my raisins and my coconut, just because if you add the raisins sooner, it's going to burn. So I usually add it at the end. My coconut is already roasted. So once my granola is done, and then I'll add my raisins and my coconut. And you have your granola ready. Make sure it's cool before you store it in your container. It's so crunchy. I hope you enjoyed my video. And here's a little bowl I made with my granola. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to join the family. Bye.